You know those stupid fitted sheets that you can never fold and you end up just bundling them into a ball and they look all wrinkly when you put them on the bed? Well, we're gonna show you how to fix that today. At least she's gonna show me how to do that.
I'm gonna show him how to do it.
I don't know how to do it.
And you're gonna learn how to do it too. Here we go. Yeah. You wanna look for the pleated point right there. You wanna look for the next one. So you have the points. What you wanna do is you wanna make one go inside out, like that. So you had these 2 points, it was like this. Now it's like this. You want to stick this one inside this one. Put it right up in there. So now both of them are right there, you see that? Alright, so now we're going to do the same exact thing with the other side. So we still have this one, you're still hanging onto this. And you have the bottom side, you have this side now. So you want to hang on to that with one hand. And then go searching for the last point, and here it is. You want this one inside out as well. What you're gonna do is go inside like that, so that those points are also together. So now you have all 4 points in 2 areas. So now what you want to do is make this one go the opposite direction as this one, so that you can just slide it in. So they're all in one point, and then you can fold it flat from there. Here's our fitted sheet that we put all the points together right there. Like that. There you go.
I put this one inside out, and then I showed it on here. And then I hold this up. Oh boy.
Now you got 4 corners and 2 hands.
Okay, but what's going on here?
You have one inside out, which is actually what you want.
Oh.
So
I don't understand why.
you want this one to go in there.
Ah. Boom.
So you had it right even before, you didn't even note it.
Oh, wish I could do that with our
On
Airbnb
purpose.
list. Now it's kind of like a square. I stick it on the table. I'm gonna make a square out of it. It's not a ball. It's close enough to a square. Boom. See you next week. Well, I'm gonna forget how to do this. So we have a guest coming later today, and we need to clean the place up. While I do that, I'm gonna practice that sheet fold because it's kind of complicated and I don't want to look like an idiot. Alright, it's not perfect, but I think that's probably good enough.
What are you doing?
Nothing.